Dun, dun, dun. And we in the M340i. Oh, wabam. Wabam. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate you guys for coming back to another video. I appreciate you guys for showing love on the last video, as always. And what we's about to get into right now is actually go look at the Supra, because Luis, the guy at the body shop, told me that he took apart the Supra right now. So I want to see if there's any more hidden damage or anything like that. So we about to go see and find out. He did call me yesterday and told me to possibly look for a front impact bar, just like the one I got for the rear, but we're gonna need it for the front because he said it got bent in or something like that. I don't know. I'm actually about to go look at it right now. We all about to go find out. Hopefully that's like the other damage that's it and nothing further than that, and I'll be fine because I don't want any worse news or anything like that. About to go over there, talk to Luis, see what he's about to give me, what kind of information, see the Supra at its form, the way it is right now, and we shall go from there. I am gonna buy the headlight. I am gonna buy the rear tail light. I already found them, bro. The headlight itself is 1100. 1100 for a headlight. 1100 for a headlight. The tail light, I believe, was 260, 300, give or take. I think the rear bumper and the lower diffuser he's gonna get, but since I'm already like dumping money in it, I already just kind of want to get the parts that I want to get. So like if I already get the rear bumper, I'll just get a carbon diffuser and just get the stuff that, you know, I want. There is something that I do want to do. I don't want to get into it just yet because I'm just hoping it works, and it's just an idea, but I'm just hoping it works. And if it works and falls through, this would be so damn dope, so dope. But I just don't want to say anything just yet, because if it doesn't go through, it'll suck, and I'm gonna just, you know, do what I gotta do to make it possible. But I just hope it's possible, you know. I'm just, you know, crossing my fingers it works. We are about to approach the car shop, because it's not that far from my house. It's literally like 2 minutes away from my house, but we is about to approach the shop. Alright, so they kind of took apart some of the stuff, but here's more of the damage, I guess. So they took off the tail lights, so the brackets are pretty much broken. The bumper's gone. The brackets, I mean, the brackets on this side still intact, so that's good. But pretty much this, we're gonna have to get a whole probably new bracket on this side. Yeah, it'd be this one. Let's see what else. Let's look at the front. Let's go to the front, see what else, because he did take off the bumper. So I think he's talking about this piece, or okay, yeah, it might be this, because this piece broke off. That's what he's talking about. Like this piece right here, where it clips, I believe, I guess, I don't know. It broke off. So I think this is why he's saying to get a new front brace. I think that's what he's telling me. Oh, well, the headlight's pretty much fucking gone though. That's gone. The cooler, I don't know if that's broken or not. It looks broken. Oh yeah, it's definitely misplaced, because it doesn't look like this side. You see how it's supposed to be? It's supposed to be more pushed in. So this whole piece right here, the casing, this bracket. So damn, man, I have to replace this, the bumper. I already got a bumper in, so we're good. Gotta replace this headlight, possibly the front bar now. This too, I found one, so I'm gonna ask him about that. See, maybe this. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it, if I'm being honest. I don't know. Maybe this too. Something broke from here, but I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, it did break from down there. No, fuck, bro. I think that's what he's talking about. I don't know what that is. Fuck, bro. So we got some pretty good news. You know, they're gonna start doing repairs pretty soon. I gotta get the exhaust pretty soon too. hopefully get a trunk. He said he's gonna look right now to see if he can find any cheap or anything like that, but pretty much stuff like that, like, we're kind of good so far. He's gonna try to help a lot. But this is probably the part that I'm gonna have to get, because it is bent. So good thing it's not that expensive. I found it for pretty cheap, but yeah, I'm pretty much gonna get this piece because that one's bent. Good thing nothing wrong engine wise. The whole front brace bar he said he's gonna have to get because the bottom piece did break. It's a whole one piece together, he says, so he's gonna have to replace this, including the bottom one that's broken down there. And then obviously these pieces, there's a lot of pieces, you know. I'm just basically getting billed for a majority of the other pieces that I can't find. And yeah, but he said he should start repairs pretty soon, so that's kind of good. But yeah, man, it's gonna take a while, but hopefully she'll be back soon. We got the M340i for right now until she's back. As good thing we didn't find anything deeper than that, you know. Good thing, because I didn't want to find anything deeper than that. We left with some good news. Good thing we left with some pretty good news. Had a good talk with Luis. He was just telling me, you know, he could probably find parts cheaper, and if I find anything, just run it by him, anything like that. But yeah, he did say he wanted to start repairing it pretty soon, you know, just so he can start having more space for other cars and all that like that. So that's good to hear. So we're probably gonna get some progress done and some repair building pretty soon. But like I said, I do want to do one thing that hopefully it works, you know, hopefully it goes through, and you know, just crossing my fingers and manifesting, and it does. What is up, guys? We is back in the M340i, and it has been, I think, a week since I last filmed that last clip you just saw. And we are going back to the shop today for some unfortunate damn news, bro. So if I'm just keeping it a blunt with y'all, and I'm always keeping it a blunt with y'all, my lips bleeding, damn. The body shop guy, Luis, hit me up yesterday, and basically he told me parts wise I'm looking at around like 10 G's just to fix this car. And you know, I don't got just 10 G's laying around or anything like that, so I'm gonna go talk over there, see what's up with up. But we're most likely gonna bring back the Supra to the house, because bro, I just don't have like 12 G's laying around where I can just throw into parts money. Like I just don't. Try to talk to him, see if he can, you know, like fix the body. Like I don't care about parts right now. Parts wise, I'll just deal with that later. But I just want the body fixed where it's like dented and all that. You know, I just want that part fixed, because I feel like the parts wise I can just buy myself while the Supra's just at home. And then like that I can get videos for you guys where I'm just adding parts, rebuilding the car. Whereas in like body damage and all that, I don't know how to fix it like that. Like I don't know how to, you know, chop up a car and all that. Like I just don't know all that other shit, you know. Like, but I can put pieces back together, as in like parts, you know, headlights, tail lights, bumpers and shit like that. But like body damage and all that, like pulling and everything, like I don't know how to do that. I just don't. So hopefully we can, you know, work something out. Oh, I see a yellow Supra on the road. Bro, every time I see a Supra, it makes me want to cry. Here it comes. Here it comes. I'm trying to see it, man, but he's behind me now. But damn, it looks good. Oh, it's not focusing. Oh, man, it looks so good. Oh, yeah. She's a beauty, man. See you later, my fellow. I'm home now, back from the gym. Didn't really film anything at the shop because it was like real quick, but I did run it by him, telling him that just to hold off on the parts and to let's just work on the body, whatever's pushed in the quarter panel. Let's work on that first, and then I'll worry about the parts later. And he said cool. He would let me know how much everything is, and then I can just pay everything and they can get started ASAP. But yeah, man, like I said, it's not cheap, and a lot of you guys know that it's not cheap. And I'm sorry that this video is a lot of talking, basically just explain the whole process of what's really going down. This shit, you know, is real life. Like, you know, I ain't a big YouTuber where it just gets paid off or anything like this. Is for real. Like, I gotta pay this out of pocket, and I'm just taking you guys along the journey. And like, yeah, bro, this is coming out of like my money. Like, my dad ain't helping me. My dad's helped me a lot, bro. More than plenty of times he's helped me. You know, I didn't even ask for help and he just did it. So like this time around, it's all on me. Like, I gotta do this, you know. Like, shout out to my dad, bro, for always helping me out with everything like that I need and everything. You feel me? But this time it's me. I gotta do it, you know. It was my accident and shit. So it's coming out of my paycheck, my money, my wallet, everything. You feel me? It's helped me so many times that it's time to just do it on my own and really put in my money and just basically build it the way I want now at this point. Yeah, it's a lot of bumps on the road right now, which is a little stressful, but it's okay. You know, it is what it is, and I can't really do much. It's out of my control. I could only control what I could do, and yeah, it is what it is. But shout out to Luis, bro. He's like really helping me throughout the whole thing, the whole process. So huge shout out to him, for real, for real. This is pretty much it for this video. Not a lot going on. Like I said, a lot of talking, just explaining, catching you guys up. But I will probably go to a meet this coming weekend, so next video should probably be a meet or something. I don't want to bore you guys just with like me talking all the time, so next video should be more lit. If you guys stay to the end, I truly appreciate you guys. You guys are real ones, for real, for real. You guys know what to do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new and be part of the family, so you guys stay updated with the Supra and what the hell is gonna go happen with it. So far, hopefully we get the green light on to start building the body and everything, and then slowly I'll just probably start getting pieces and all that, because bro, 12 G's is crazy, bro. I don't have just 12 G's to just throw right then and there for all of the parts. I just don't. I really don't. Yeah, man, taking you guys along the journey. But yeah, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.